Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review Join Friday or Friday's Health. You should take any GLP weight loss treatment or any testosterone treatment on this platform or not. Is this platform legit or it's just another scam? Okay, so as you know very well, this platform provide you lots of treatments you can see over here. I want to show you something like GLP-1, microdosing, longevity, and testosterone, and there are so many you can like treatment they are providing you right now. Okay, but the thing is the same kind of treatment is easily available in today's time. There are lots of brands they are providing the same kind of treatments like TrimRx, GetSlimRx.com, and you can select. There are so many platforms. Okay, so the thing is, you can choose anyone which is under your budget. This platform is also very legit. This platform is approx like 2 years from now, and this is 100% legit platform. You can also take treatment from this platform. There is no problem. Okay, but the only thing is the pricing basically depends on person to person financial conditions, and if the pricing is looking like some higher in your case, you can choose other brand. Okay, so now let's talk about weight loss treatment. So basically if you take weight loss treatment from any brand or from this brand, the same kind of treatment you will get like trizeptide or semaglutide, and the results of these two drugs are very effective, and you will 100% get achieve these kind of results as they mention in their review section. But the results is not you can like permanent. When you stop taking medications, and after a few months, after 6 months, after 8 months or 10 months, it depends on person to person health condition, you will be in the initial phase of your health, but the results is not temporary. When you stop taking these kind of treatments, you will again gain weight. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if we talk about you should buy any treatment or not, yes, definitely this is a 100% legit brand, and you can take treatment and you can try the platform. And but before taking any treatment, you should contact with their customer support related to return and refund, because in some platforms return and refunds are not available. So you need to be very, you can you need to contact with their customer support if you are looking for refundable programs. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.